which is palindrome number. We check the palindrome number. First we discuss about what is palindrome number. The palindrome number is that number which is remains same after its digit reverse. So first I using here the code block as the IDE, and simply click on the file and then new and then project, and simply I select the console application and then click on the go, and from here I am simply select the C language and then click on the next, and I am giving here my project title as a demo 1 and then click on the next and then finish. Okay, my project is displayed here, and simply explore the source and then click on the main.cs, and this code is automatic created by the code block, and simply I delete this message and write here to simply check the palindrome number. Okay, and simply I declare here the variable int n comma n1 comma reverse comma ram. Okay, and then terminated with semicolon, and simply I write here n1 equals to 0 and reverse equals to 0, ram equals to 0. Okay, and I write here simply printf and then /n, enter the number and then terminated with semicolon and then scanf, and simply I write here the %d comma ampersand n and then terminated with semicolon, and simply I write here n1 equals to n and then giving here the condition while and n greater than 0, and then simply I write here ram equals n modulo 10, and riv equals to riv into 10, and simply within the bracket and plus ram n equal n divide by 10, and here I am giving the condition n1 equals to riv and this, and then printf number is palindrome, and else printf /n number is not palindrome. Okay, and then terminated with semicolon. Okay, you simply look here, I am declaring 4 variables n, n1, riv and ram, and simply I assigning the 0 into the n1, 0 into the riv and 0 into the ram, and in the next line I am using the printf function to print the message check the palindrome number onto the screen and terminated with semicolon, and in the next line I am again calling the printf function and print the message onto the screen, enter the number. When the user enter the number, this number store into the variable n, and I am assigning the value of n into the n1, and in the next line I am using here the while loop and giving here the condition n greater than 0, means the value of n is greater than 0, then the loop is continue, and when the condition is false, when the value of n is less than 0. are equals to 0, and this is the body part, and I am simply giving here the some set of instructions. So first I am taking here the value as simply 1 2 1. Suppose that this value store into the variable n, and first this condition is true, and then n modulo division 10, the value 1 to 1 contained by the n, and the remainder is assigned 1 into the RAM, and reverse rev contains the 0 and multiply by 10. The after multiplication the result is 0 plus RAM, means 1 plus 0 assigned into the rev variable, and 1 is assigned to the rev variable, and n divided by 10 means 1 to 1 divide by 10, and 12 assigned to the n. The result 12 is assigned to the n, and then condition is true, then n modulo division 10, the answer is 2 assigned into the RAM, and rev contain the 1 and multiply by 10. After multiplication by 10 the value is 10, and RAM contain the 2, then the 12 assigned into the rev, and 12 divide by 10, and 1 assigned to the n, and condition is also true because the n contains the 1, that is the value greater than 0, and then n modulo 10, the 1 assigned to the RAM, and here the 12 multiplied by 10, the 120 plus RAM contains the 1, and simply 120 plus 1, 121 assigned to the rev, and 1 divided by 10, and then 0 value assigned to the n, and in this case the loop is terminated because the condition is false. And in the next line I am giving here the condition n1 contains the 121 because the from the starting I am assigning the 121 into the n1 variable, and rev contain the 121, both are same, so the number is palindrome printed by the printf function. And if the value is not same, then the control come into the else part and print the message number is not palindrome onto the screen. And simply I save it and run it, and okay, because simply I comment here and then Ctrl S and then run it. Okay, I need here to terminate it with semicolon and then Ctrl S and then run it. Okay, and here I am passing 1 to 1, and the answer is number is palindrome. Okay, and I simply close it and again run it, and I am passing here the value 1 2 3. The answer is number is not palindrome because when the value the number 1 to 1 reverse, the reverse value is 3 to 1, not equals to 1 to 3, so the number is not palindrome. Thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Please comment on my video, and thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.